Welcome back to the channel, Glam Squad. It's me, Gigi, and today we are doing my nails. I needed fresh nails, so I've already removed everything. I have added a base. I've done all of the prep and all of the primes and all of the this and all of the that's. There are tons of videos up where I do prep. I will try to find one and link it for you guys. So we've got all the forms on, and now I'm just going to come in and create a simple, for all intents and purposes, clear nail tip. And it's going to be super, super thin. So we are just going to make sure it's connected to the nail itself. And then we're going to build some stuff on top of that. So I'm going to do my best to get through this voiceover. Today is a good day that is combined with a bad day. Today, my best friend's coming into town. I've not seen him in a minute, you guys, and I'm super excited he's coming. We're going to use these Saviland gels that I got for my birthday / Christmas. I'm super excited. We're going to use 3 of the colors, this pretty cyan blue, the blue purple, and the white, which is a very milky white. The sad thing that happened today, you may have already heard about. We lost dear sweet Betty White, as I'm sure is the case with most, if not all of you. She's been part of our lives since we were born. I know I've always known about her. I know she's always been someone that I looked up to and admired and emulated and wanted to constantly see more of. So I'm really sad by this news. And it's really weird to keep going back and forth between excited and mourning, because that's how I'm feeling today. So if you are also sad by Betty White, let's talk about that in the comment section. What is the first thing you remember seeing her in? And for me, it's probably got to be Mary Tyler Moore. But I'm sure it's something else. I don't know. Like I said, I've always known about her. Guys, let me just back up with my speech right now and tell you what I'm doing. I'm just coming in with a super thin coat of the colors that we've chosen, the purple and the cyan, and I'm just laying that down, and then right at the cuticle edge at the line, pressing in a tiny bit of glitter. And you do want to be careful when you press in that glitter. Don't press. Let it release and then pick up your brush, and let it release and then pick up your brush. As if you stay in there touching the gel, it's going to get muddied on top of your glitter, and that is you're gonna lose the shine. And we are going to cover it a little bit, but we don't want to cover it all. And we're not going to cover it with these colors. We're going to cover it a little bit with the white. Okay, so you want to press, and see, I'm pressing and coming up, pressing and coming up, and there's still a little glitter on my brush, so I can press again and put it down. Now I noticed that I didn't bring this one down on the index finger all as far as I wanted, so I just brushed the tiniest bit of that color on and pressed a little more in there. So just be careful that you're not picking that gel up on your brush, as it will definitely muddy things up. So, and if you do, just wipe in between. So this was just a quick glitter dump. I just laid down some clear and then dumped the glitter out on top of it. It's a very effective way to do it. You can also do a glitter press there, but again, you would want to make sure that you are not double pressing. You want to make sure that you're picking up, okay? Don't muddy up your glitter, because you'll notice it a lot. So now we've got this milky white, and I'm just coming over almost the entire nail and just leaving that cuticle area clean. And then I'm going to come in and just, you can see it's already ombreing itself. I'm holding it upside down and giving it just a little love so it evens out a little bit. But we are going to come in with a very thin second coat of this in just a moment. So if it's not perfect the first time, that's okay. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. And I'm only showing you 2 of the nails because they're all the same, except for that one. They're all the same, but it's nice to see both of the colors, and it's nice to go over it twice. So again, we're just walking down that white a little bit, using gravity to help me pull it down. I wish you could see the bottom a little better, but I don't have a camera stand that would enable me to show you that. And I don't have 2 cameras, so it would be really hard to set that up and then try to do it. Whew, I'm trying to imagine the amount of work that would be, and I'm sure you can imagine it as well. So one day we're gonna have more than 1 camera, and one day we're gonna have a better camera stand. But for today, you have an imagination, and I showed you the best that I could. So we're gonna work with that. We're gonna work with that. I'm also feeling just a little bit wild today, for obvious reasons. So now, after encapsulating everything in a little bit of clear, I went on ahead and did the filing off camera. And as you can see, I got a little bit overzealous with my filing, which always happens. I'm a filer. What can I say? I overfile. And I still feel like I need, I just, you always feel like you can improve your technique. I don't think I'm a bad nail tech, and I don't think my nails look bad. But to think that you cannot improve is ridiculous. So, of course, I can improve. I'm still going to continue to try to hone my craft and get better and better at nails. And even while I was doing this, there was a moment where I was like, oh, I don't think I filed that right. So I stopped what I was doing, cleaned everything up, filed it, cleaned the dust off, and went back in with what I was doing, because it wasn't correct. And it's good when you catch yourself, because then you can fix it. Then you can fix it. So after doing all of the cleanups and all of the little places where I needed a little extra, I'm just gonna come in with the tiniest bit of the white, make sure my ombres look good there at the cuticle edge, make sure everything is smooth and nice, and that the glitter I want covered is covered. And I'm gonna do that on all the 4 nails that have this full nail sort of ombre situation, as it sort of ombres on the sides, and it's definitely ombreed at the cuticle edge. And you can still see the color poking through the white, even on going all the way down the nail, of course. But it's a milky white, so it's still showing through that you have this cyan blue and this real pretty blue purple. So it is the blue purple, right? I think it's the blue purple. Anyway, it'll be listed below the colors that I used, and I will link the box as well so that you guys can go check it out if you want to. There's 2 other kinds as well. Honestly, I want to get them all because I really enjoyed working with this, and if it holds up, if the nails hold up, I'll be really happy. And I've been using Saviland, so I like it a lot. My favorite's actually Morivon, but because it's just so beautiful the way that it self-levels, it is just chef's kiss delicious. If you've not tried it, get some. I'm out right now. I really have to get some more because it's just yum delicious. I absolutely love the way it works. If you struggle with the builder gel, try Morivon. It's really nice, and I want to check out all their colors and everything, because when I like something, I really want to have as much of it as I can, right? I want to try all the different kinds of ways that they're giving out the gels. So after I smoothed all the nails with the white, I just came in with this buffer and just gave everything a quick buff out. I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and smooth and ready for my top coat. And of course, before I hit the top coat, I went on ahead and cleaned everything with my little brush and some alcohol, as you don't want to get any dust in your top coat. And this is also, buffing everything out is also going to give us a nice glitter reveal. which we are about to see right now. So we're coming in, excuse me, little croaky frog in my throat. We're coming in with the Light Elegance Super Shiny. And if you need I know I've said it before, but if you need a stain resistant top coat, this is beautiful. If you're a pro, this will be easy to order. If you're not a pro, check all the shops in your area. Somebody's bound to be selling it. Just look for somebody. I've been able to buy it at like 3 different places in the last couple years. So just look around. People sell stuff. And especially right now, everybody needs business. So I think all the companies should open up and let everybody buy stuff, because there's some stuff I want to buy and I've not found a shop that sells them. So, it's a bummer when you want something and you can't have it. But look how cute these are, guys. They're milky white. There's a glitter there. The colors underneath. I think they came out really beautiful. I hope that you agree with that. Don't forget to let me know anything you want to talk about Betty White in the comment section below. Since her birthday's coming up, I think we're going to do a set for her on her birthday. Guys, I hope you had a good 2021. I hope 2022 kicks ass for you. We're going to see you then. Bye-bye.